Well, we got you on video now.
Oh!
What do you think about it?
I think it's awesome. This is like a dream come true. I've always wanted one of these, to be totally honest.
Really?
It's awesome.
Yeah. Well, we got
It's a true blessing.
Miss Charlotte nominated you for it.
She's a great girl.
Yeah. Yeah. So we got it. We even brought you soil and plants.
That's awesome.
You don't have to do nothing but water it.
I can do that.
Yeah. All right. All right, Miss Killian, so what do you think about your new garden experience you got here?
I think it's wonderful. You have sown great seeds, and I hope you harvest abundant blessings from it.
Yes.
Yes. I'm going to have tomatoes and peppers and spinach. I'm to be good as Popeye before it's over with.
That's right. That's
Thank you
right.
so much.
Yes. Caleb, anything?
Yeah, it's just awesome. So we were gonna actually plant some tomatoes and bell peppers for her, and then I held off on doing it because I just kind of had a feeling that she was gonna get a raised bed, and Miss Charlotte nominated her, so it all worked out.
Yeah. Landon, this is your first experience.
It's been awesome.
Yeah.
Had a great time.
So we got to build boxes. We didn't build just this one, but we built 5 or 4 plus a workbench. Yeah. So, all right. Well,
I will always remember this. This is like a dream come true, really.
yep. We
I
hope
really wanted one.
Yeah, we hope everybody loves it and likes it, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.
See ya.